the Lion of Anioma Nation, His Excellency, Distinguished Senator Munir Ned Nwoku, and everybody here, I will say, all Obamkpa, because the channel very Igbo. So Obamkpa, I'm very, very elated to be here today. This information came to me very late, but because of the importance of this gathering, I deemed it inextricable to be here. I want to be precise because of time. I want to wholeheartedly thank the organizers of this laudable movement, this organization, Ndinasu, Ndinasu Bia. You see, information we say is power. And when we get it wrong, when people, generations are misinformed, they transfer that misinformation to another generation, and it triggers a lot of issues. Why am I saying this? And appreciating this organization. They have called with other organizations, the Igbo organizations, on behalf of the Igbo movement, to extinguish that misinformation that some part of us are Igbo, some part of us are not Igbos. So I want to thank them very well. This movement has a lot to do by informing our people, and they'll keep moving this necessary information from generation to generation so that we all will know our roots. If I want to pick people randomly here, maybe 20 persons, I'll ask them questions. But because of time, I won't do that. I'll just make the question a general question. But if I pick 20 persons randomly, I don't know them, and ask them the question. How do you say call if you are from Anioma or from the east? Anybody from the east? I believe nobody here will say it's not Bia. So what is Bia? It's not an Igbo language. So I feel pain when some persons or some group of people who say Bia, Ndo, they will come and say, I am not an Igbo man or an Igbo woman. Is that not misinformation? Now let me take myself from where I come from. I'm from Obomkpa, you will be from Obomkpa Kingdom. The founder of Obomkpa Kingdom today in Aniocha North is called Anaba. We refer him as Anaba no Gidi, right from the east. I was also the head of our clan is the chief. How we migrated from Ogidi and spent a lot of years in Benin and became great. But at the end of the day, they were envious of him there. What did he do? He traced his roots back because there's no place like home. So we must tell ourselves the truth and enlighten those who don't know. Imbibe and instill genuine information in them that will go generational. I am proud to stand here to say I'm a descendant of Anaba Gidi, and I'm a proud Igbo man. I believe I'm passing the message here. Secondly, I want to thank our most distinguished senator. I can go to the extreme for him. Not because of any favor from him, because as a student of political science and public administration from Grace University, I understand what leadership is all about. And with the philosophers we heard about back then in school, I see him as one man who represents what true leadership is all about. In general, I will call him the man of the people. He knows what leadership is all about. He knows what politics is all about. Not just a politician, but a leader. A politician with uniqueness. A politician who knows what the people they want and what they need. And he devotes himself humbly to pursue it to the latter. So I want to thank him for all he has been doing, especially coming out boldly to pursue the Anioma State creation that will unify us and tell us our roots, and I'm fully in support with him. And I also want to thank all those who have stood firmly for him. Let us support him irrespective of interest. Let us see the big fish, what he is pursuing for us, which some persons might not understand, but time to come, we will start yielding good fruition. So I want us to support him irrespective of whatever people are saying against what he's doing for us. We should support him, come rain, come sun. Like I have dedicated myself, and the good people of Obomkpa have dedicated themselves to support what he's doing for the people. So, without wasting time, in conclusion, when we live here, it's not about gathering ourselves in multitude that we enlighten ourselves. Each and every one of us has this responsibility to go and start enlightening our people of the essence why we are here and what we are pursuing. God bless Obomkpa Kingdom. God bless Anioma State. God bless Delta State, and God bless Nigeria. God bless you all.